Just a bit of a lightning storm coming, so I just wanted to catch it. And drops of rain coming, but it looks like it's going to be a severe thunderstorm because of the constant lightning. The environment it's starting to get fully charged, and it might be a massive storm tonight. So I'm just giving you guys some shots with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra telephone, same thing. But just look at it, and this is only one times. I'm standing outside, and at least I have a clear shot through the trees, because there's a tree here and there's a tree here. And sorry, that was the light that was a light that my landlord has on. But and back over here is fairly clear, so it's all the action is coming from the east. And to the naked eye, I can barely see the clouds, but this phone shows really nice. And my hats off to Post 10, and he's going to be mentioned in this video, because he's the one that goes out in storms and clears drains. So I'm going to give him a shout out, and I'm going to go to one of his videos and tell him that I gave him a thumbs up and I gave him a comment on my video, and see if he likes it. I'm not sure how good the sound is, but I'm just giving you guys some shots from my house, and I think this is going to be a big storm. So I'm going to keep videoing, and we'll see. Sorry, my finger gets in the way. I had to clear something off the screen so that I can see properly. Just check out that lightning, eh? Wow. Amazing. I think it's going to be a big storm. They said it was going to be severe. So I'm just going to wait, and until it gets really, really bad, then I will, hopefully I can post the video. There goes my finger again. Sorry, folks. I hope it's recording. Yeah, 4 minutes. We're 4 minutes in. I don't want to get too close to that light, because then the light will shine. Yeah, just beside my house here on the northwest corner, through a alcove, or like a roundabout. The roundabout is just down there. There's another house next to me, and I have a clearing here where I am, so we'll see how long it takes. So far, 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Whoa! I love lightning and rain and thunder. It's getting a little hard to hold the phone. There we go. Much better. Wow. Like I said, I'm going to wait till it gets really bad, or if it really starts to rain, then I'll have to go in and cut it short. But it seems like it's coming in pretty quick. So in 5 minutes, I can hear thunder now. So probably within another 5-10 minutes, the storm should be upon us. Alright, that's the top part of the house. And there's the other house. I love lightning. I love the sound of the thunder. And videoing this, it's Tuesday, June the 2nd. And I'm getting some nice shots of lightning. I really like this. I like the way the lightning comes and where the clouds are, it illuminates the clouds. Basically with the naked eye, I can't see with those white clouds there just above the trees. The phone picks it up, but I can't see those clouds from here where I'm standing. Only when it illuminates it like it did there. Right? I can just barely see that one on the left, that white cloud, without using the phone. I can just barely make it out, unless when the lightning flashed, I can see it. And a lot of people, I guess, when taking videos like this, somehow or some way, I don't know, they have an issue of not being able to hold the phone straight. Whoa! So the wind is not too bad yet. In between the houses, I don't feel it as much, but the trees are moving. I'll stay quiet for a couple of minutes. See if you can hear the thunder. And see, just on the bottom of the screen is the street, the main street that goes north and south. There's some cars going by there, going south. As I'm facing east. I think when I was a kid in camp one time, I'll narrate a little story. I had to go to the bathroom, I guess, to take a pee. And I do believe to this day, I don't know how old I must have been, maybe 12 or 11, 12, 13, something like that, or maybe even younger, 10, that I may have gotten struck by lightning. And nothing happened to me, thank goodness. Wow. But ever since then, I've always liked lightning. I was never afraid of it when I was a kid. It always enthralled me, gave me peace. And while other people running for cover, I would go outside and run around in the rain and not be afraid of it. I embrace it. So, as old as I am now, I really enjoy this sort of thing. And currently it's, what time? Whoa. 10:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm glad I can bring this video to you. Ooh. leaf just hit me. The wind is starting to pick up now, a little better. No rain yet. Wow, I missed that one. Just saw a big bright flash. "10 minutes and 40 seconds in. This is going to be an awesome video for Post 10 to view. Maybe. I don't know. I will still give him a shout out to Post 10 and all the other diggers out there that go out in the rain and clear the grates to stop all the massive flooding. The wind is drastically picked up now, as you can probably hear in a minute. It's currently now 11 minutes and 22 seconds. So it's been a minute and a half now that the wind has picked up. It's coming pretty quick. I love this. I really do. This is a great video. I'm just so enthused by Mother Nature and what the lightning and thunder can do. And I can see the big cloud here that just came through, that white in the center. I can see that now. It just amazes me, like I said again, how the lightning can be so sporadic and so frequent. Usually you'll get thunder and then you'll get lightning and then you'll get the thunder after that. But I guess the atmosphere is getting charged because it's cold and it's warm and it's cold and it's warm, and I guess the electrons, and I'm not a movie buff. I am a movie buff, but I'm not sure of the terminology that goes on with, electricity and lightning. I'm just backing up a little bit because now it's getting, whoa, big one there. It's getting pretty active. And it's cooled down probably 2 or 3 degrees since. I'm just gonna check the door. Hang on 1 second. See, there's nothing back here, not much. The clouds.